Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can open and exit the safe mode on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. So first we need to open the power menu. So let's swipe from the top to the bottom twice, and then over here in the bottom right corner we have the power button. That's how we can open the power menu. Then what we need to do is simply press and hold on restart button. So let's press and hold it for like a second is enough in order to trigger this window where we need to confirm that we want to reboot safe mode, and press OK. Now our device will restart, and after a short while, once it restarts, then you should see that you are now in the safe mode. So this is how we can enter it, and then in order to exit the safe mode, what we need to do is simply open the power menu one more time and then restart normally. So press restart, and this time when we will reboot the device, we should no longer be in the safe mode. So let's take a look, and there we go. Now I'm no longer in the safe mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.